Another great option in our folder menu is the fact that we can actually move our tabs and our windows or our palettes around and put them wherever we want to. Let me show you. As you can see here, I already have one that's out here just kind of floating around. And to do this, what you want to do is you just can come over here and undock your palettes here by hitting your button. There they are docked. Open them up. And just grab your histogram and drag it out and drop it. And then you can grab it and actually attach it here, or you can attach it underneath. And there you have, and then you have a full floating palette. Now what you can do with this palette is you can actually take this palette and move it off screen into another. If you're running with a dual screen system or multi-screen system, you can actually take this palette and move it off screen so you can get to your whole workflow space without having to come back and, you know, have all this in the middle or move these palettes around or anything. And if you minimize it, you can see that they dock themselves into one thing. You can hit the little square again and maximize them open. And we can just create however large we want to, putting in everything we want on here. And we can actually take this palette and bring it back. And as you see here, whenever this blue line appears with the little gray square, it means that we can actually dock this to the side of our already docked palettes and actually make everything docked like this so we can see everything that we have in case you don't want to try to folder things. Because if you do this, like, you know, you're looking for your tool brushes and you can't find your brushes. Well, your brushes is hidden under your tools here. And since tool is on the far left-hand side, it's going to be the one that comes up first. So you can actually take your brushes off if you want to access your brushes quickly and bring them over here, set them to the side here. You can see my little blob pops up and attach them there. And if I come over here, I can minimize this and minimize this again. Oops. Maybe I'll just pull this out completely and I'll add it to the side there. And there we go. Your fully customizable floating palettes. Now you can customize it however you want to maximize your workflow, but I usually take mine and pull them off onto a secondary screen because I've been doing it forever, so that's how I usually do it. But enjoy and have fun.